Okay, so what we've done is we've taken the base off the bottom of the Ranger, and the tool now can be used in more of an open chain application. And we're still looking at that interval where Michael has a continued requirement of strengthening and motor control. So we'll still work in approximately the 80 degrees to, let's say, 110. So gravity reduced, so we have the benefit of that, so we can work more of a conditioning. And he has the support of the table for his posture, so we can just get a little bit more isolated to the shoulder with this application. The other opportunity is for me to do manual work differently on his, a portion of his history was his AC joint, having some arthritis, so I can be isolating that. I can be doing some cervical work. I can do torso work, which we're going to transition from here to side lying, and then I can be more specific with his ribs and his scapula. And so it's just another form of conditioning. Again, he could position this wherever there seems to be an interval of challenge that needs some more emphasis of stability, and then I can work proximally to distally with him, offering some rhythmic stabilization in different planes. You could also work on some pectoral stretching. So the application is endless, and just sorting out your patient's specific needs and identifying the application